Toyota and Honda are making investments in space technology in order to promote environmental objectives, spur innovation, and diversify their businesses. These investments strengthen their brand's position in innovative areas, while also creating new development opportunities. In this video, we will go through 7 key points to explain their involvement. Diversification and future growth. The automobile sector is going through a significant transition right now. Due to market saturation, aging populations, and shifting consumer tastes, traditional automobile sales are starting to stall, particularly in developed nations like North America, Europe, and Japan. Additionally, governments everywhere are enforcing more stringent environmental laws, like mandates for electric vehicles and emissions limits, which raise the operating expenses for automakers. Even if they are currently industry leaders in EVs and hybrids, Toyota and Honda understand that long-term growth may not be guaranteed by relying only on car sales or even EVs. This is where space exploration becomes an attractive diversification opportunity. The space industry is booming, driven by advancements in satellite communications, reusable rockets, space tourism, and upcoming missions to the Moon and Mars. This burgeoning sector offers new business avenues where Toyota and Honda can make their mark. For instance, satellite-based services like communication and Earth observation have massive potential, as do technologies that enable human colonization of other planets. By diversifying into these high-growth industries, both companies ensure they're not solely dependent on automotive cycles and future-proof their business models, ultimately tapping into space's multi-billion-dollar potential. Their investments help mitigate risks posed by stagnating markets and allow them to establish a competitive presence in an entirely new, fast-evolving industry. Innovation and cutting-edge technologies. The frontiers of engineering and technical innovation are pushed by space exploration. Technologies that can function with little human interaction and endure harsh environments must be developed by government agencies and private space enterprises to support deep space missions. These technologies frequently call for advances in robotics, material science, energy efficiency, and autonomous systems. Being involved in space-related initiatives gives Toyota and Honda early access to these ideas, which they may then modify for use in automobiles. For instance, cars might be made lighter, safer, and more fuel-efficient by using the carbon composites and lightweight alloys used in spaceships to reduce weight and increase fuel efficiency. Furthermore, self-driving cars on Earth, whose navigation systems must function independently in challenging, uncertain conditions, can immediately benefit from autonomous technology created for space rovers. Furthermore, deep space exploration-related AI advancements, including systems that can analyze vast volumes of data to maximize mission performance, might be incorporated into automobiles to improve efficiency, safety, and driver assistance capabilities. Sustainability and environmental goals. Businesses all throughout the world are now motivated by sustainability, particularly in the automotive sector. In response to mounting pressure from authorities, consumers, and environmental activists, companies such as Toyota and Honda are leading the charge for cleaner, greener solutions. Space technologies offer both motivation and practical solutions as they strive for carbon neutrality and try to lessen the environmental effect of their activities. Because of the great distances involved and the need to reduce waste and resource consumption, space exploration itself necessitates extreme sustainability measures. For example, due to its efficiency and dependability even in the vacuum of space, solar energy is frequently used in space missions. From improving energy management systems for their EVs to producing more effective solar-powered cars, Toyota and Honda can both incorporate these renewable energy advancements into their own business processes. New mobility solutions. Mobility in the future is evolving quickly, and the automotive sector is now more than just cars that drive on highways. The transportation industry is being forced to investigate new ways of carrying people and commodities as a result of the emergence of autonomous vehicles, drones, flying cars, and advanced robots. Whether it's autonomous rovers traversing the surface of Mars or drones delivering supplies to astronauts, space exploration frequently necessitates the development of mobility solutions that function in difficult, uncertain conditions. These technologies are a goldmine for automakers like Toyota and Honda, who are already spending substantially in autonomous driving systems and robotics. Self-driving cars can directly benefit from the autonomous technology utilized in space rovers. Innovative modes of transportation are also necessary for space missions, such as rovers that must transfer large cargoes over difficult terrain. Toyota and Honda can use the knowledge gained from creating these vehicles to create off-road vehicles for both recreational and business use on Earth. Collaboration with space agencies. The chance to work with prominent space organizations like NASA, ESA, or private businesses like SpaceX is one of the biggest advantages Toyota and Honda get from investing in space technologies. These partnerships offer priceless access to the cutting-edge technologies, technology advancements, and research that these organizations are spearheading. One example of how manufacturers might use their knowledge of mobility to explore space is Toyota's collaboration with Japan's space agency JAXA on a lunar exploration mission. Toyota is contributing to the design and construction of a lunar rover, which will be used to investigate the moon's surface. This entails building a vehicle that can function independently and endure harsh terrain and temperatures. Honda's interest in robotics and cutting-edge AI systems is also relevant to space exploration, as these technologies are essential for managing robotic arms, controlling spaceships, and conducting remote operations on distant planets. Long-term strategic vision. Space exploration has the ability to bring about revolutionary developments that will influence humanity's future, while being a costly and protracted undertaking. In addition to technological developments, the long-term goals of space exploration include the construction of space-based infrastructure, including interplanetary transit, lunar settlements, and asteroid mining. Similar to how they already serve transportation needs on Earth, Toyota and Honda are putting themselves in a position to play a major role in supporting these endeavors by investing in this futuristic business. Enhancing brand reputation and global leadership. Brand image is essential to preserving competitive advantage as the world grows more interconnected and customers grow more aware of environmental and technological advancements. As leaders in the automobile industry, especially in hybrid and electric car technology, Toyota and Honda are already well known. However, their participation in space exploration greatly improves their reputation around the world by presenting them as forward-thinking businesses that care about humanity's future. These automakers are putting themselves in a position to significantly influence the direction of human activities in space, as well as the future of mobility on Earth, by taking risks in the space business. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.